Welcome back to our channel. Today we have another Thar for service, and this vehicle has come for complete suspension work. So the suspension work is completely done at the moment. You can just have a look. So you can just have a look at the vehicle. We are changing all the pipes and everything was going to be serviced, and also engine oil is going to be replaced, and four-wheel hub is going to be added on this vehicle. Lambda hub will be installing on this vehicle, and Hella air filters have been added on this. You can just have a look at the air filter completely. Everything is going to be topped up at the moment. We also have a Xylo, which has come for the radiator replacement, and all hose pipes to be replaced, and little bit of mechanical issues on this vehicle. Completely going to be serviced at Jeepzone, Bangalore. For any kinds of service, you can just contact us on our WhatsApp number 98866796117. We are based in Bangalore, so please like and subscribe. Thank you.